test, new updates, you can see test stuff, and also you can see new coming soon, and you can see here. These are upcoming features you can see in the Microsoft Edge. So also you can see other features like picture, adding feature, and this is images. You can add images, search for images, and also there's features like we can put sticky notes. Sticky notes, also you can design it. Here you can type here, you can change the colors, and you can also design it and change the color. I choose whatever color you want to do, and also the option delete, and also cut, save, copy, and even like. So literally this is some more interesting feature you can see here. Then also you can see this button where I select this. Hi there YouTubers, please subscribe. So literally you can see YouTubers, subscribe. So literally that's it. So there also enjoy. You can write how many views you want, and also there's a template options. By putting this list, you can see not page, and also you can write here, or even you can write the list part of list. I write a task over here. Write hi, assign to hello, or something like that. Anyways, new feature development, and so I'm really good at using this. And also you can see you can import Word and PowerPoint documents, PDF documents, and template. You can input design here, and that's it. And also there are some interesting other features. You can put list, as you know, the follow list, and also there will be there is also not great page, more features. As well, you can see upcoming more features like a new menu will come here, and will be added new feature. Most of it will become real official version because it will be updated not browser mode and stuff. But also there's been the huge design link, it's you can see here. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you take video, please like and subscribe, comment and share. Thanks you for watching, and also have a nice day.